Welcome to NAI Signage Solutions. Since 1994, NAI Signage Solutions has been a one-stop shop for signs and graphics of all shapes and sizes. NAI has aimed to provide only the best in service, products, and value. Let us take you on a tour of NAI Signage Solutions, and we'll show you how we can help fulfill all of your signage needs. CNC Polystyrene Foam Hot Wire Cutter. This CNC hot wire machine cuts blocks of foam from 5 feet tall to 16 feet wide to create a variety of polystyrene parts and signage. In keeping with our mission to be green, NAI ships all of the unused materials and scraps back to the supplier for recycling. 62-inch Pro Laminator and Encapsulator Machine. This device is used to apply sheet laminates to vehicle wraps and other roll stock materials, as well as to laminate printed roll stock to rigid sheet materials up to 2 inches thick. This unit is also heat activated to do encapsulating for menus, event photos, and other thick laminated displays. 64-inch 720 DPI Solvent Printer. This printer is an eco-friendly solvent printer used for vehicle wraps, high-resolution adhesive displays, and other roll stock printing. NAI uses this printer for menu board displays, vehicle wraps, and POP advertisements. 64-inch 1200 DPI Photo Printer. With this HP printer, NAI is able to print high-resolution detailed drawings on stock paper, as well as photos on photo paper, canvas, and self-adhesive pressure-sensitive products which can be applied to various rigid materials. Digital Die Cutter with Conveyor Belt. This cutter uses 12 different tools and can change 3 of them on the fly during the same job. From routing and kiss cutting to creasing and through cutting, it can do it all. This device cuts 64-inch wide materials up to 2 inches thick, and with its moving conveyor belt, the length is unlimited. What makes this really useful is its vision software, which allows it to read pre-printed registration dots with an onboard color camera. This permits it to contour cut almost any type of shape from almost any type of material. 3 Grand Format Direct UV Printers. These printers, using eco-friendly inks and cleaners, can print directly on almost any rigid sheet material 2 inches thick, with its length being unlimited. They also print up to 1200 DPI and can utilize 3 layers of white ink, allowing NAI to print on clear acrylics as well as black materials. Not only can they print on 2-inch thick sheet materials, they can also print up to 124 inches wide on both sheet as well as roll-to-roll printing materials. These printers can print on numerous products, fabric textiles, pressure-sensitive decals, canvas, paper stock, and magnets, just to name a few. Roll-to-roll 600 DPI Grand Format Printer. This printer prints up to 124-inch wide roll stock materials such as banner materials, pressure-sensitive vinyl decals used for vehicle wraps, mesh banner, textile fabrics, paper products, and magnetic materials, as well as many other types of roll stock products. NAI uses the industry's best eco-friendly solvent inks provided by 3M and offers the 3M MCS warranty with this printer and its inks. NAI also offers 3M certified installations performed by its own in-house certified installers. 5 by 10 foot CNC 3D Router. NAI has a router that can quickly and accurately cut CNC files from metal, wood, foam, and many other materials with CNC precision. This router also has vision software to read pre-printed registration dots to cut out die-cut images, as well as 3D files up to 5 foot by 10 foot in size. It also has an 8-bit tool changer, giving it the ability to change up to 9 different tools in one piece of material without having to do calculations or setups while cutting. NAI, once again dedicated to being green, collects and ships all drop pieces and scraps to the mill shop for recycling. 4 by 8 foot CNC Plasma Cutter. NAI uses the plasma cutter to cut out metal pieces to fabricate brackets, hardware, and support braces, as well as to customize metal art. This cutter can cut 4 foot by 8 foot sheets of steel, aluminum, and other materials up to 3/4 inch thick. Plate Roller. This roller can roll up to 1/4 inch thick, 62-inch wide steel plates into a 6-inch cylinder. NAI uses this equipment to roll die-bond composite materials for ring displays, to round bar for brackets, and to roll heated PVC as well as other materials for shaping prior to its mounting. As you can now see, NAI has invested in the finest printing, router, and manufacturing equipment in order to produce the best signage products for you. NAI is dedicated to being your #1 source for signage.